In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to see subscribers on Squarespace. If you're collecting emails through forms, newsletter signups, or checkout, it's really important to know exactly where those subscribers are stored and how to view them. By the end of this walkthrough, you'll know how to find your subscriber list inside Squarespace, and you'll feel more confident managing your audience from the dashboard. First, make sure you're logged into your Squarespace account and that you've selected the correct website if you manage more than one. From there, you'll land on your Squarespace home dashboard. This is the main control center for your site, where you can access pages, design, commerce, marketing, and all your settings. Take a moment to let the dashboard fully load, especially if your connection is a bit slow, so that all the menu items appear correctly on the left-hand side. Next, look along the left-hand menu and find the option labeled Contacts. This is the section where Squarespace keeps information about people who interact with your site, including customers, leads, and subscribers. Go ahead and click on Contacts. When you open it, you might see different tabs or categories, depending on how you use your site. But don't worry, we're heading straight to where your subscriber details live. Inside the Contacts area, look for Lists and Segments. This is an important section because it's where Squarespace organizes your contacts into groups. Lists are usually broader collections of people, while segments can be more targeted groups based on certain behavior or attributes. Click on Lists and Segments to open this view. Give it a second to load if you have a lot of contacts, because Squarespace may need a moment to fetch all that data. Once you're in Lists and Segments, you should see an option labeled Subscribers. This is the list that gathers people who have actively opted in to receive communications from you, like newsletters or marketing emails. Click on Subscribers. Here you'll see the full list of people who have subscribed, along with their email addresses and any other information they provided when they signed up. From this view, you can scroll through your subscribers, check how many you have, and use the list later when you're creating email campaigns or planning your marketing. That's all you need to do to see your subscribers on Squarespace.